We were sent this Squishies art project. My girls are so excited. So let's get it started.
Oh, squishies. All kinds.
So you get 4 of them. You get some paints, 4 paints, 2 different style brushes, and then some glitter in a tube as well. And then plus you get the directions. There's also these little tattoos to put on the faces. They're getting their paint set up because you can mix colors, and then these are really nice and squishy. It's gonna be fun. And they're off painting. I love how kids can be as detailed or not detailed as they want to be and can just be creative with this. Plus you get 4 of them, which is really nice too. So then once they dry, you can put the little tattoos on the face. You want this one? Aww. It's so cute. And done. So cute. One more to do too.